Greetings, photographers. So here's your tutorial on how to crop a photo in GIMP. So here I have my GIMP program open. I'm going to go ahead and grab my file. So to open my file, I'm going to click on File and then down here to Open. And then I just need to navigate to where the file is that I want to adjust. Let's see here. Go, and we're going to go ahead and do that one. Double click, it's going to open it for me. And here we go. Oh, let me adjust my screen here a little bit. All right. So I have my image. I want to make it smaller. I want to adjust my composition, okay, by cutting off part of this image. So to crop that image, I'm going to find my crop tool, and the crop tool is going to live up here in this little bundle of tools, and it's these two little corner pieces kind of put together. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That is going to, let me move this over for you. That's going to bring up this menu here that's going to help me, and then I can also draw directly on here to get my crop. But what I want to do is I want to always make sure I hit fixed ratio, and I want to adjust my aspect ratio. I want my aspect ratio to be 4/3 or 3/4, which would be a portrait image. I can do either or, right? But that's what I want my image to be. That is the industry standard, is 3:4, 4:3. So if you're printing something, that's the best way to go. So if I decide I want to really focus in on this area, like right here, this is all I really want, or I want to do this area right here. If I want to switch it and have it be landscape, I just adjust this back to 3/4 or 4/3, and here we have that. Okay, so I can kind of move that around and see. I can make this bigger by dragging out these triangles here and then moving this around as I want. Okay. When I click off of it is when you get this grayed out area here. That might be something you need to click on. If it's not clicked already, click highlight. What that's going to do is that's going to put that shadow around the area that you're cropping so you can really see what you're keeping. You can go ahead and make that darker or lighter, whatever like works for you. I like it a little bit darker so that I can really see like what I'm getting rid of and what I'm keeping. When you are done, you can click the Enter key, and that will go ahead and crop your image. Now, what it did do though is it left me all this space around the edge. What I need to do here is I need to come up here to Image and then down here to Crop to Content, because our content is now smaller. I'm going to click that, and then that's going to resize my entire image. And now my image is cropped. Way to go, guys. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.